Hello my dear class 9th champions, welcome to one more video of chapter number 8, predicting what comes next. Basically this chapter is of arithmetic progression and geometric progression, right? And I'm going to solve end of chapter exercise questions only. The most important questions of exercise end of chapter, the last exercise of your chapter number 8 of your Ganita Manjari. So let's begin this video. Okay, so please try to solve these questions along with me, and it would be very nice of you guys if you sit with your notebook and pen and try to solve these questions along with me simultaneously. Okay, so let's talk about question number 1. Question number 1 is, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and whose seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So, you know, the base part of these questions are try to understand the question first. Don't think about formula, which formula is to be used, which formula has to be used. Don't think about the formula and concepts. First, read the question carefully and understand the concept. So basically the question here is determine the AP. So we have to find out AP. And to find the AP, to find any AP, what we required? We required A and we required D. We required A, which is first term, and we required common difference, which is small d. This should be your target, because what we are looking for AP. So to form an AP, we only required first term and common difference. This is the target. Okay, so let's solve. Okay, what is given here? Third term is 16. So my dear, what is given here? Third term. So if third term is given here, A3 is equal to 16, write it down. And what another information given? Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, so seventh term exceeds means more than. So seventh term exceeds the fifth term, A fifth plus 12, because this is exceeds. Exceeds means more than. And more than means add. So these two informations are given to you, and what we are looking for? We are looking for an entire AP. So let's solve. Okay, so now do one thing. We know A3, this A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 16, guys. For third term, the formula will be A plus 2D, 1 less D. Clear? Okay, so mark is equation number 1. Now in second statement, this is seventh term. Guys, if this is seventh term, we can write A plus 6D, 1 less D, and this is fifth term. So for fifth term, the formula will look like A plus 4D, and 12 is already there. Clear, everyone? So A and A both will be cancelled, because the coefficients of A is similar in both the sides, right hand side and left hand side. So they will be cancelled each other. Now can we shift this 4D this side? So 6D minus 4D will be 2D is equal to 12. So here D will be equal to 6. Clear, everyone? If 2D is equal to 12, so D will be is equal to 6. And once you have D, you got D. So putting this D in equation number 1, you can get A, and this is what this is what our target, what we were looking for. We were looking for A and D. So D we have already got here, D, and now put D this in equation number 1 to find out A. So A will be equal to 16 minus 2D. So A will be is equal to 16 minus 2 into 6. So A will be is equal to 16 minus 12. So A will be is equal to 4. Clear? Wow, sir. Sir, it's magic. So my dear champion, you have A, you have D. Now you can find out anything. Yes. So you know AP is what? The general format of AP. A first term, A plus 2D, sorry, A plus D second term, and similarly A plus 2D third term, and so on. Right? So what will be A here? Guys, A we have directly 4, so A will be 4. What will be A plus D, guys? So we have A, where is A? 4, and we have d is 6, so this will be is equal to 10. Now what will be a plus 2d? So a we have is 4, 2 into d we have is 6, so 6 to the 12, and 12 plus 4 will be 16, and so on. The difference between 4 and 10 is 6, 10 and 16 is 6, so we can increase the number by 6 difference. So the AP is 4 comma 10 comma 16 comma 22 comma and so on. This is your answer. Clear, everyone? So read the question carefully. Read the question first, write the informations given, and now solution will start. This is the way you should approach the solution. You should proceed the solution. Moving to question number 2. Okay. And one more thing, guys. How many of you have filled the form for MVSAT? MVSAT 2026 Mega Vedantu Scholarship Admission Test. India's biggest scholarship exam. And you know the best part, my dear, the registration fee is 0 rupees, guys. 0 rupees. Nothing you have to pay. You know, you could be the next national level scholarship winner. 2.2 crore, 3 crore, and the worth of this entire scholarship exam is more than 100 crore. So go and enroll in this exam and make sure to write this exam, and that is going to be held in the month of October. Okay, there are so many slots, so many days, so according to your availability you can pick any day. MVSAT exam, so don't forget to enroll for this exam. Okay, moving ahead. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Wow, very good question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Now, my dear students, if I ask you from which number 3-digit number starts, of course 100, because 99 is the 2-digit number. The largest 2-digit number, biggest 2-digit number is 99. And what is the least smallest 3-digit number? 100. And what is the largest 3-digit number? 999. Because after 999, 1000 comes up, which is 4-digit number. So if I ask you guys, we have to focus on 3-digit number, 3-digit numbers as well as divisible by 7. So first decide from which number 3-digit number starts. So the 3-digit number starts from 100, 101, 102, 103, and dot till 999. This is the sequence for 3-digit numbers. But what we are looking for? We are looking for 3-digit numbers, but divisible by 7. Now decide from 100 to 999, how many numbers, which numbers is divisible by 7, and write it down, the sequence for that. So 100 can't be divided by 7. 101 can't be divided by 7 because 7 1 is 7, 3 1, 31 can't be cancelled by 7. 102 again can't be divided by 7, and so on. Let's talk about 105. 105, yeah, 105 can be divided. 104 can't be divided because 4 is the unit digit, and in 7, table of 7, 4 never comes up at unit digit. Can we check? 7 1 7, 3, 28, 7, 35, no. So the first 3-digit number, let's check. 105, it can be divided by 7. 7 1 7, here 3 will come. Oh wow, 15 7 105. This is divisible. So my dear champions, the first digit which can be divided by 7 is 3-digit number which can be divided by 7 is 105. Now after 105, let's check. 106, 7 1 7, 3, no, can't be divided. 107 can't be divided. 108 can't be divided. 109, 9 is the unit digit, 7, let's check it once. So 109, 7 1 7, 3, no, can't be divided by 7. 110, no, unit digit is 0. 1111 again can't be divided. 1111, 7 1 7, so no, can't be divided. 1112, 7 1 7, and here 5, yeah, it can be divided. Let's check it once. 7 1 1 2, 7 1 ja 7, right? Here we have 4 and 7 6 are 42, and we know 16 7 ja 112. Yes, so after 105, the second 3-digit numbers that can be divided by 7 is 1 1 2. So we have, here we go, 1 1 12. Now if you look both the numbers 105 112, the difference is of 7. So what will be the next number that can be divided by 7 after 112? 119. So we have, guys, we have sequence 105 112 119 and so on. Now let's check at the end. 999, can this number be divided by 7? 7 1 just 7, 2 7, no, can't be divided. 19, we are getting at the end 19, and 19 never comes in the table of 995. So 7 1 just 7, 4 4 5, no, it can 994, 7 1 7 2, 7 3 is 20. Yes, 994 can't be divided. Yeah, can be divided. Yes, 994. So 7 1 ja 7, this is 9, 7 4 ja 28, wow, and 7 2 ja 14. Yes, my dear. So the last, from the end, this number can be divided by, this is our required AP. This is our required AP. All the numbers are 3-digit numbers, and these numbers can be divided by 7 also. Right? Now we have AP. So guys, this will be your A, and what will be D, guys? 112 minus 105, common difference. So here we go, D is equal to 7. 112 minus 105. But the question is, how many numbers? So we have to find out here number of terms. How many numbers are there from 105 to 994? So my dear champion, if 994 is the last number, so the position of this number, position of 994 will be the total number of terms. Simple. Will be the total number of terms. Clear, everyone? Yes, the position of 994 will be the total number of terms. If the position of 994, just imagine, suppose if the position of 994 is 100th, it means 100 terms are there. If the position of 994 is 1000, it means 1000 terms are there. So basically, here in this question, we have to find out position of 994, right? And we don't know the position. So if you don't know the position, you can assume nth term. So an is equal to 994, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 994. Here we go, a is 105 plus n we don't know, and d will be 112 minus 105 is 7 is equal to 994. 105 can be shift. Yes, we can. So that will go there, 9n minus 1 into 7, and when we subtract 105 from 994, what will get? 14. So 9 will come, and this is 8 will come, and 8 minus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 9 will come. Let's add 9 5 14, 14 4 carry 1, 8 9, yeah, this will come 8 9. So n minus 1, here 7 is in multiplication, so 7 will go there and it will be dividing 8 9. So 8 9 divided by 7. So let's divide. 7 1 ja 7 and 1 8. 7 2 ja 14. 18 minus 14 will be 4. 4 9 7 7 ja 49. So n minus 1 we have. I'm solving here. So n minus 1 is equal to 127. So n will be 128. Minus 1 will go that side, and 127 plus 1 will be 128. So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 128 3-digit numbers. If you count here 105, 112, 119 till 994, how many numbers you will be getting there? 128. Clear, everyone? So this is really easy. Concept should be clear. and pattern how to solve the question. Moving ahead, question number 3. Find a GP for which, okay, so we have to find out GP. Now, when the question was like find AP, so what we were required? A and D. Similarly, if you want to find out, just a second guys, if you want to find out some technical problem, okay, just a second. Oh, now if you find out, if you're looking for GP, what you required? So you required A, because this is GP. A means first term, and what you more required? R means common ratio. We required these two things. In AP, what we were required? A and D, common difference. But in GP, we required A and R. R is common ratio, and A is the first term. Okay. Find a GP. So basically, the general form of GP, let me write the general form. So how the GP look like? Basically, this is A, first term, AR, second term, AR square, third term, and so on. This is the general form of AP. For second term, R power 1 is R, the power of R is 1. For third term, power exponent is 2. For fourth term, power will be 3. For n term, power will be n minus 1. One less than the position of the term. Right, clear everyone? So to find out GP, we required A, which is the first term, and R is the common ratio. Okay, now solve. Find a GP for which the sum of first two terms is minus 4. First two terms, so these will be the first two terms, guys. And their sum is given here minus 4. So my dear, A plus AR will be equal to minus 4. This is given. How many informations this is given to you? A plus AR is equal to minus 4. Can we take common here? A. So on taking A common, the equation will look like A under bracket 1 plus R is equal to minus 4. Let's write it equation number 1. We will require this equation little later. Okay. And the fifth term is 4 times the third term. Wow. Look at, read the question carefully, guys. The fifth term is 4 times the third term. Fifth term is 4th time the third term. Okay, so fifth term, 4th time, 4 times 4 into what, guys? Third term. 4A3. Clear everyone? Now for fifth term, the formula will look like A R to power 4, 1 less. And for third term, the formula will look like A. The formula will look like A, what guys? R square. For third term, AR square. For fifth term, AR to power 4, 1 less, 1 less, 1 less. Okay, now A cancel because the coefficient of A at both the sides are equal, same, and both A is in multiplication. Okay, now guys, R to power 2, R to power 4, so R to power 2 will come this side and it will be cancelling, so R square will be equal to 4. Clear everyone? This is R to power 4. This is R square. So R square can cancel R to power 4. R square will come. So on removing square sign, root 4 will be there. So we have R plus minus 2. So how many common ratios we have? 2 common ratios. 2 possibilities. So let's consider one by one and find out the GP. Okay. So I'm solving here. What happens? Okay. I'm drawing a line here. Okay. So taking first R is equal to what? Just a second, there's some technical problem. I don't know what's going on. Just a second, guys. There is a technical glitch. Perfect. Okay, so sorry, guys. There is little problem. Okay, so first taking first condition, guys. R is equal to, I'm taking positive 2 because we have 2 possibilities for R. R is plus 2 as well as minus 2. So we have to consider both separately. So I'm taking first R positive 2. Okay. So if we have R positive 2 and we had this equation. Can you see the equation number 1? Because we required A also. So let's find out A. Taking R as positive 2. So A into 1 plus R and R we have is 2 is equal to minus 4. So let's solve. A plus 3 is equal to minus 4. So A we have is equal to minus 4 by 3. Oh my God. This is the first term. And what is the general form of GP? The general form is A, comma AR, comma AR square. So we have A, now AR. A is minus 4 by 3. And where is R we have is 2. So 4 2 ja 8. So AR is equal to minus 8 by 3. So this is the second term. This is the second term, guys. Now third term. So what is third term, guys? AR square, right? So A we have minus 4 by 3 and R we have 2, but 2 is square. So 2 square will be 4, guys. 4 into 4 minus 16 by 3. So it will stay continuous. So a GP will be what? GP, the first term is minus 4 by 3. Second term is minus 8 by 3. 8 by 3. The third term minus 16 by 3. And so on. Can you see? This is the table. 4 to ja 8 to ja 16 to ja 32. 32 by 3 and so on. This is the first GP. This is the first GP on considering R as positive 2. But we have one more R. So taking R is equal to minus 2. This is second. Now take R as minus 2. Okay, so use this format again because we are changing the values of R. Now we are taking R as minus 2. So A into 1 plus R. So R is negative. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Clear, everyone? And 1 minus 2 is minus 1, right? So minus 1 into A can be written as minus A minus 4. A cancel, minus cancel. So A is equal to 4. Wow. Now A is equal to positive 4. Clear, everyone? Now if you have A positive 4, R negative 2, so what will be the first term? A1 will be obviously A. And what will be second term? Second term is AR. A we have 4 and R we have minus 2. So this will be minus 8. Clear, everyone? Now A third. What is the formula for third term? AR square. So A we have is positive 4 and R we have is minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 square will be 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 4 into 4 will be 16 plus 16. Similarly, A4, AR cube. So A we have is 4 and R cube minus 2 cube. And do you know what is minus 2 cube? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, which is minus 8. Negative value and power is odd. So result will be negative. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus 8. And minus 8 into 4, minus 32. Minus 32. So the GP, the required GP will be 4 comma minus 8 comma 16 comma minus 2 and so on. So we have two GPs. This is the first GP and this is the second GP. Why two GPs? Because there are two common ratios. Clear, everyone? Take screenshot. This is a really important question, guys. Okay, moving ahead. Next question, question number. What's going on, guys? Okay, question number 4. The sum of the fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. Really very easy question. The sum of fourth and eighth term. Okay. Write down the given informations. Given information. What is given here? The sum of fourth means A4. Eighth means 8. Term of an AP is 24. Okay. So A fourth plus A8 is equal to 24. And the sum of, let's write down this equation in expanded form. So A4 can be written as A plus 3D, 1 less, and A8 can be written as A plus 7D is equal to 24. AA, 2A, 7D plus 3D, 10D is equal to 24. Can we take 2 common here? On taking 2 common, the equation will look like A plus 5D is equal to 24. 2 can cancel 24. So we have final equation A plus 5D is equal to 12. This is the equation number 1. Clear? The relation between A and D. Very good. Now read the second statement. The sum of the 6th and 7th term. Okay. The sum of 6th, A6th plus 10th term, A10 is equal to 44. Clear everyone? A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. A6 can be written as A plus 5D, 1 less, and A10 can be written as A plus 9D, which is equal to 44. Clear everyone? 6th term A plus 5D, 10th term A plus 9D is equal to 44. Clear? AA, 2A, 5D, 9D, 14D is equal to 44. Is equal to what, guys? 44. Now can we take 2 common, guys? Yes, we can take common 2. So on taking 2 common, the equation will look like A plus 7D is equal to 44. 2 will go there. So we have A plus 7D is equal to 22, equation number 2. Wow. So we have 2 equations, 2 variables, right? A and D are variables and we have 2 equations. What we can do? Let's subtract both the equation, because the coefficient of A in second equation, coefficient of A in first equation is identical, same. So they will be cancelling each other if we subtract both the equations. But which equation should be subtracted from which, you have to decide. So I will decide. Here is 7D and here is 5D. So 5D is smaller than 7D. So better to subtract equation 1 from 2, because 2 is greater than 1. Okay, so let's write subtracting what, guys? 1 from 2. Subtracting 1 from 2. So A plus 7D is equal to 22 and here is A plus 5D is equal to 12. Let's subtract. A will be cancelled. 7D minus 5D will be 2D and 22 minus 12 will be 10. 22 minus 12 will be 10. So we have D is equal to 5. And once you get D, A is nothing for you, because you can put A either in equation 1, either in equation 2, or in equation 2, find out A. You have D. Now put D in equation 1 or in equation 2, you can get A. So let's put in equation 1. A plus 5 into D we have is 5 is equal to 12. So 12 minus 5 5s are 25. So A is equal to minus 14. 12 minus 25 is minus 14. Clear? Minus 14. You can put it here also. 7 5 is 35. So 35 will go there. 22 minus 35 again will be 14. Minus, because we are subtracting greater number from smaller one. So you have A and you have D. What is the question? Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Wow. First 3 terms of the AP. So the first 3 term A1. A1 is obviously minus 14. Done. A2. We have formula A2. A plus D. Where is A? A we have is minus 14. Plus D we have is 5. So minus 14 plus 5 will be minus 9. Right, now A3. So A3 will be A plus 2D. Alright, A we have is minus 14 plus 2 into D we have is 5. Let's solve. Minus 14, 5 2 are 10. Minus 14 plus 10 will be minus 4. So the first 3 term will be minus 14, minus 9, minus 4, and so on. Look, This is the answer. Minus 14, minus 9, minus 4. If you find out the common difference, the difference between minus 14 and minus 9 is obviously positive 5. Minus 4, minus 9, the difference will be positive 5. So this is in AP. Answer. Clear, everyone? Moving to question number. Just a second, let me erase this line. Moving to question number 5. Okay, look at question number 5. If the 4th, 10th and 16th terms of a GP are x, y and z respectively, prove that x, y, z are in GP. Okay, so basically the question here is, if the 4th term of any GP is x, 10th term is y and 16th term is z, then prove that x, y, z will also be in GP. Okay, so let's write the informations first, the given informations. So 4th term is, very good, x. And do you know, guys, 4th term means what? 4th term means what? A r to power 3 is x. Clear, everyone? Because we are talking about GP, geometric progression. So a r to power 3 will be x. Now 10th term is y, so a10 is y, so a10 can be written as a r to power 9, which is equal to y. Very good. Clear, guys? Clear, everyone? For 10th term, power of common ratio will be 9. Okay, now 16th term is z. So guys, 16th term, so 16th term can be written as a r to power 15, which is z. Wow. Clear, everyone? Any problem to anyone? Now do one thing. Let's divide y by x, because we have to prove x, y, z are in GP. So when they can be in GP? When the common ratio between x and y and between y and z should be equal to each other. If the common ratio between x, y, z are equal to each other, then only we can say that x, y, z are in GP. So let's find out one by one. So let's find out y by x, because x, y, z are written in sequence. So let's find out not x by y. Always divide succeeding value before value from the after value from the before. Succeeding divided by preceding. So always write y by x. So y we have is a r to power 9 and this is a r to power 3. A will cancelled and r to power 9 so this will be r to power 6. Oh, have patience, have patience. Now let's find out the ratio between y and z. So it can be written as z divided by y. So here we go, z is a r to power 15 and y we have a r to power 9. Let's do a cancelled, a cancelled, and this is r to power n, r to power r to power 6. So what we are getting here? Oh my god, y by x is r to power 6, z by y is r to power 6. It means that the ratios are same and this is common ratio. So if y by x ratio, z by y ratio, both the ratios are same, it means that x, y and z are also in what? GP. Hence proved. X, y and z are in GP. I hope this question is clear to you all, class 9th champions. Moving ahead. Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, moving to the next question, question number 6. Okay, which term of the AP 4, 9, 14, 19 is 109? Very good. So we have an AP given here. This is a AP. Can you see this is AP 4, 9, because the common difference between 4 and 9, 9 and 14, 14 and 19 all are equal. And we have to find out the position of this term. I don't know the position. Which term? I don't know. So let's assume nth term. The position of 109 is nth. I don't know the position. So let's assume nth position. It may be of 30th position, 100th position. It can be anything, but we don't know. So if we don't know, we can assume it is nth term, 109. And for nth term, the formula we have a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 109. Clear? Where is a? This is a, guys, 4. So we can write 4 plus n minus 1. Where is d? D is the difference between 4 and 9. Difference between 9 and 14. Difference between 14 and 19, which is 5. 5 is equal to 109. First 4 will go there because 5 can't go. 5 is in multiplication. So first this 4 will go there. So if 4 will go there, 4 will have to subtract from the number 109 because 4 is in positive form. So if 4 will go there, 109 minus 4 will be 105. So n minus 1 into 5 will be equal to 105. Wow. This number has one digit as 5, so this is definitely divisible by 5. 105 can be divided by 5. So 105 divided by 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. So n minus 1 is 21. So n will be equal to 22. Wow. It means that this number is the 22nd term of this AP. If you write this AP continuously, at 22nd position 109 will occur. Okay, so let's write the final answer in words. 109 is 22nd term of given AP. This is the answer. Clear, everyone? This is the answer. Moving to the next question, question number 7. Very easy question. Find the sum of first 20 natural number. Guys, listen. Whenever such question comes in front of you, find the sum of first 20 natural number, 40 natural number. So we have a general formula for this. General formula for what? The sum of what? N natural number. Okay, we have a general formula. General formula for the sum of n natural number. And do you know the formula? The formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula. Right, this is the formula for the sum of n natural numbers. How many natural numbers we are talking about in this question? 20 natural numbers. So S20, let's put 20 here, 20, and at the place of n, 20 plus 1 divided by 2. Will cancel this by 10 times. So 10 into 20 plus 1 will be 21. So the answer is 210. This will be the answer. If I ask you, find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. So you can put here at the place of n, 100 will come. Find the sum of first 50 natural numbers. 15 will come here. Clear? Moving to the next question. Question number 8. Which term of the GP is 4374? Again, this is very easy. A GP given to you and a number is given to you. We don't know the position of this number in this GP. So we can assume this number is of nth term. This number is of nth term because we don't know the position, guys. And if we are looking for GP, if we are dealing with GP, we are talking about GP. So in GP, nth term formula, you generally write Tn also, guys. So don't get confused. Tn and n both are same. So the formula we have is a r to power n minus 1. This formula we can use. Okay, we have a, we have r, we have everything. So let's assume an is equal to 4374. N, the formula of an is a r to power n minus 1. 4374. A we have is 2. So 2 into r we have 6 divided by 3. You know r? R is not the common difference. R is the common ratio. Please make sure. Common difference is in AP and common ratio is in GP, right? So what will be common ratio, guys? You can divide succeeding value minus preceding, I mean from preceding. So this is, you can take any pair, you can take this pair, or any pair you can take, guys. So I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, now solve. R we have is 3, and this is 4, 3, 7, 4. Guys, listen, 2 is in multiplication. So if we divide 2 this number, so this number can be divided by 2 because one's digit is also even number. So 3 to power n minus 1, let's divide by 2. So 2 2 ja 4, and this is 2 1 ja 2, 17, 2 8 ja 16, and this is 2187 will come. Now look at RHS and LHS. RHS is a very big number and LHS is a number having base 3 power n minus 1. So if we do any mathematical calculation, if there is any possibility, if we could change this number in the form of base 3, so that we will be able to compare the numbers, so that if both the sides will be base 3, we can compare the exponents. So our target should be to convert this number in base 3 format. So let's take LCM 2187. So on taking LCM by 3, 3 7 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 9 ja again 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja, and this is again 3, 3 8 ja 3, again 3, 27, again 3, 9 will come, again 3 will come, again 3. Wow, this is called prime factorization. Okay, how many 3? Oh, this is 3, guys. How many 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we can write entire prime factorization in the form of 3 to power 7, because 3 is getting multiplied 7 times from itself. So 3 to power n minus 1 will be equal to 3 to power 7. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Now base same, so exponent should also be equal to each other. So we have n minus 1 is equal to 7, so n will be equal to 8. Oh my god, so it means that this number will be 8th term of the given GP. So always make sure to write the final answer in words. So 4374 is the what? 8th term. Okay, 8th term. Okay, now let's talk about one more question here. Write the explicit formula for the, explicit formula, the formula of nth term. So the formula which can give you any term, that formula is called explicit. One more formula is there, recursive. Oh, that is different kind of thing, to get the next number from the previous number. Okay, so we recursive formula. This is explicit formula, so this is Tn, which is AR to power n minus 1. A we have, the first term is 2. R we have, R is 3 to power n minus 1. This is the answer. If we talk about recursive, let me tell you simultaneously. Recursive formula is the formula which relates the neighboring numbers. Okay, so this is 2, this is 6. What is the relation between 2 and 6? If we multiply 3 into 2, we will be getting next number. If we multiply 3 into 6, we will be getting next number. If we multiply 3 into 18, we will be getting next number. So all the numbers in multiplicative form by 3. So we can write Tn will be equal to 3 into what? Tn minus 1. This is the recursive format. Tn means, if you write here third term, so what will be this? 3 minus 1 will be 2. So third term is multiplication of 3 of second term. If you multiply 3 into second term, 6 into 3 will be the third term, which is 18 there. So this is the recursive formula, this is explicit formula. I hope this is clear to you guys. Please write it down, everyone. Okay, moving to the next question. So question number 9 and question number 10. As per my rule, I used to give few questions for your homework in every sessions, guys. So I'm giving you question number 9 and question number 10 for your homework. Please try to solve these questions honestly and let me know the correct answer in your comment section, by the way. Okay, so along with this, guys, let me tell you one very important information about AIO all in one page. and this is very easy platform, guys. This is the very powerful initiative by Vedantu. This is the one platform where you may get all the academic material, handwritten notes, session PDF, formula sheet, competency based question, quiz, everything at one place. So my dear, let me show you a short glimpse. So basically, to get the access of this, you need to go to our official YouTube channel, and even in this video description, go in the video descriptions link, there will be two links given to you guys. Click on the link, full syllabus, free class 9th, and if you are in class 10th, click on second link, and putting your number, getting OTP, you may get all the, let me show you the how to proceed for this. Just a second, guys. So this is the interface of AIO page, my dear. So the base part here is no cost is there. This is absolutely free, zero. So you need to click here, buy now, free of cost, put your number, get your OTP, and just doing all the formalities, you get all the details. So what are the features? Classes by class teachers, in class doubt solving. If you have any doubt, we can give you the sessions for that. PDF, you may get session PDF, whatever we are teaching you on YouTube, you get all the handwritten PDF notes. Okay, Telegram groups, and the best part is every subjects are separated, they are segregated very systematically. If you want anything related to English, click here. If you want any formula sheet, questions for practice in science, you click here. If you want anything in mathematics, click here. Okay, so by clicking on these respective subject, you may get all the details, free question series, assignments, everything, quiz questions. So guys, listen, what happens now, you guys used to waste your time, lot of time in searching different kind of multiple reference book questions for practice, PYQs, competency question, formula and all. Don't do this. Don't waste your time. This is what you are looking for. At one single place, you get all the things, every academic solutions. Okay, I look at the results. In previously, students really got benefited of this, AIO page. They got advantage of this. So ultimately, result speaks, guys. And Soumya Jha, she scored 99.6%. A lot of students are there. So go and enroll for AIO, guys, without any delay. This is really important for you all, and this is free of cost. Thank you so much for watching.